In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the DocForma Navigator. First, sign into DocForma and click on the binoculars icon to access the Navigator function. When you first access the Navigator, you will see a search field where you can enter a search string. Click on the magnifying glass icon on the far right to perform the search. A search results list will be displayed. Each search item will include a link to the summarizer if the article can be summarized, a hyperlink to the actual website, the website address, and a snippet. In the lower right corner, there are buttons to retrieve the previous and next search results items. You can click the hyperlink to go directly into the web page associated with the search item. You can also summarize the search item by clicking the summarizer icon. Clicking the summarizer icon will automatically transition you to the summarizer. Summarizer runtimes will range from seconds to minutes depending on the length of the search input. When the summary is complete, you will see a title and a synopsis of the article. Click the Show Output link to go into Summary Output. You will be taken to the Metadata tab where information about the input document is displayed. Click on Contents to see a machine-generated table of contents of the summary. You can then click on the title to show an abstract of that section or chapter. When you enter the chapter summary, you will see an abstract of the chapter on the left, keywords found in the summary on the right, and navigation controls on the bottom. Click the X in the upper right corner to exit the chapter summary. This concludes our video. To learn more, go to the DocForma YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.